In this tutorial we are going to learn how to shrink an image. So we're going to insert an image in this page here, down at the bottom in this paragraph, and it's going to be just a little guy. It's going to sit right in there and the text will wrap around it. So we're going to go to the back room, and I've already uploaded a photo of my parrot eating an apple in the park. So we're going to take this photo. It's not actually square, it just shows you this square thumbnail of it here so you know what you're working with. And I'm going to look down here at the size section. As you can see, the full-size version of this photo is 2,592 pixels wide by 1,900 pixels tall, and that's huge. That is not good to be on the internet because it's going to take forever for people to download. It's way too big for your page. Large, 609 pixels, is the whole width of this page here. So this original photo that we have inserted is a large photo at 609 pixels wide. I could also choose medium if I wanted by selecting that, and that gives me 300 pixels wide, which is half of this page, right to there. Or I could choose a thumbnail, which is a little squared image, so it crops off the edges to make it square, and that would be this size right here, 150 pixels wide. Well, what if I want one that's smaller than medium but not square like the thumbnail? If I want to do that, I need to go up here to scissors and I need to hit the resize button. So here we have the original image of our photo, 2000 by 1000 pixels, and we have this little button that says maintain aspect ratio. We want to make sure that that is checked, because that means that when I change this number, the width of my image, it will also change this number, the height of my image. And we wanted a photo that is a little bit smaller than medium. So let's go with 165 pixels wide. 165. And as you can see, that automatically changed the height of my photo as well. And I'm going to go ahead and hit resize. What this is doing is it actually changed the size of my photo on my server to, now we look at the full size and it's 165 pixels wide by 123 pixels tall. I need to check that full size, because if I check large or medium, as you can see, they're still 300 pixels wide and 600 pixels wide. So what they would do is they'd take this little tiny image that I've just created and they'd blow it up and it'd look really pixelated and ugly. So we don't want to use either of those. We want to use full size. And then I hit insert into post and scroll down here, and we can see that we have inserted the photo into the post, but the text is not wrapped around it. That's really ugly. We don't want a photo to look like that. That's hideous. So I'm going to click on the photo because I forgot to click the align left button. I'm going to click on the photo and then click on this little icon right here for edit image, and that brings up my my photo again, and I can click left align. Now I could have done this in the previous step, but I forgot to, so I'm doing it now. And I'm going to hit update. And now we have our text wrapping right around our photo. So I'm going to hit update page. I'm going to go to my website, my test page, and I'm going to refresh that, and we'll see what happened. And there's our photo. It's got the nice little border. Once you publish your page, it gets this border around it, and my text is wrapping around it nicely, and that looks good. Simple as that.